that is the Coffeeville apartment going, there's a security guard and then that gate going inside where the apartment located. And then if you want to eat breakfast, you can go here to the front because there's a flyover restaurant. They serve breakfast. There's an air-conditioned room. And then if you don't want to go here, there's also an adjacent, how do you call it, restaurant where you can eat Lorings, that one, which is very near in the apartment. And then this one is the restaurant also, flyover restaurant. And then outside there's an air-conditioned room. You want to have a beer, there's also beer. They serve beer, San Mig Light, or how do you call that, Pilsen. So it's your choice. So that is the highway. Okay, though.